Hello friends, welcome to our math channel Math Bridges Fun with Math. This video is about math magic clock. How we are going to bring the magic into the clock using math. Let's see. You all know it. This is known as the face of the clock or the dial of the clock. We'll have the numbers from here 12. Opposite to that it is 6, 1, 2, 3. Opposite to 3 is 9, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So these numbers will be having on the face of the clock. Now let's see what's the magic. 12 minus 6, just the opposite number. If we subtract 12 minus 6, it is 6. 11 minus 5. If you are taking the opposite digits here, 11 minus 5 it is 6. 10 minus 4 is 6. 9 minus 3 is 6. And 8 minus 2 is also 6. 7 minus 1 is also 6. See, we are using the basic operation called subtraction, and when we are taking the numbers over here, the opposite numbers, and we subtract, we are getting the same answer as 6. Let's see the next magic what it is. It is magic clock addition. Now, if you observe here, 11 plus 1 which is equals to 12. Similarly, the next one, the opposite numbers 10 and 2. That means 10 plus 2 is 12. 9 plus 3 is 12. And 8 plus 4 is 12. Next 7 plus 5 is 12. This also can be considered to be as an activity where you can understand that a plus b equals to b plus a. Similarly, if you are taking this side, 1 plus 11 is 12 you can consider. Similarly, 2 plus 10 is 12, 3 plus 9 is 12, 4 plus 8 is 12 and 5 plus 7 is 12. Children enjoy doing this kind of sums which can be considered to be as an activity. The next magic again, magic clock addition. One more concept, like if we consider here, you can see here 12 plus 1 is 13, 11 plus 2 is 13, 10 plus 3 is 13, 9 plus 4 is 13, 8 plus 5 is 13 and 6 plus 7 is 13. This also can be considered to be as an addition activity. A plus b equals to b plus a. Same this side you can write now. 1 plus 12, 2 plus 11, 3 plus 10 is 13, 4 plus 9 is 13 or 5 plus 8 is 13. Where they learn the numbers, writing the numbers, and they can add it and enjoy doing this as an activity. Now it is magic square root clock. Not only for primary children, even for the middle school children. This simple clock where the numbers are 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Instead of writing this one, simple, we can take it to be as square roots. Like for example, instead of 12, you can take it to be a square root of 144, which is equals to 12. Square root of 1 is 1. Square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 9 is 3. Square root of 16 is 4. Square root of 25 is 5. Square root of 36 is 6. Square root of 49 means we'll get 7 over here. 7 sevens are 49. Square root of 64 it means it's 8. Square root of 81 it's 9. Square root of 100 it is 10. And square root of 121 it is 11. Instead of writing these numbers, you can learn the square roots and you can write the square roots and make your own square root clock. So if it is 12, you should understand that it is square root of 144. That means which is equals to 12. So 1 to 12 numbers, easily you can learn the square roots, whatever it is there by using this clock. This also can be considered to be as an activity. Children enjoy doing this one. On the same base, you can make your own magic cube root clock also, like cube root of 8, cube root of 27, which is equals to 3, cube root of 729, which is equals to 9. You can learn and you can make your own clock and enjoy doing this. Fractions and decimal clock. Interesting, right? That means fractions and decimals, they both are correlated. Here, as 12 parts are there, 1 to 12 numbers, whatever the number is there, we are dividing by 12. 12 by 12, 1 by 12, 2 by 12, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The numbers in the clock by 12 when we are taking, you can convert it into decimal and make it as a decimal clock, or just take it as a fraction and make it as a fraction clock. Math magic clock. Not only addition, subtraction, square roots and cube roots, any concept in maths you can consider based on your level. It can be logarithms, it can be derivatives, it can be integration, it can be factorial, limits, anything, summation. You can make your own magic clock and you can enjoy learning maths in this way. Hope you all enjoyed watching the video. Like, share and subscribe to our channel Math Bridges Fun with Math and do share it with your friends. Thank you everyone.